called Cody. He's like, oh, there's a truck's on fire. I didn't know where he was, and I looked out my window. Boom.
I heard the fire truck, so I think they're going to get here before it blows up, hopefully. Yeah, I hear them. Oh, there it goes. It's going to go. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'll call you back in a minute.
Unless somebody was in the car smoking and they didn't realize like something fell. I don't know. But this is probably intentionally done, like you said. What's today? February 4th, 2022. Record it, Charlie, record it. Well, at least nobody got hurt. Nobody was in there. Oh, it's freezing. Do you think I could record through the window? Would it work?
Someone's truck is on fire. Their truck is on fire.
Let me see if I can get inside. I'm freezing.
No, it's gonna blow up, guy. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Bro, what the heck?
No, I can't do it from there.
Hungarians. Hungarians.
I cannot believe this, guys.
The minute you left, 2 minutes later.
2 minutes after you left.
Dang, what the heck?
Yeah, they're fucking firemen trucks there.
How did it even catch on fire? Oh my
Somebody
God.
lit it on
Somebody probably
fire.
lit it on fire, honey.
There's so much smoke.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll call you right back. Yes, Miss Cindy.
They're putting it out.
Look. Truck on fire, guy. No, but someone's truck's on fire. Like they're putting it
Oh
out
my
now, but it
gosh.
was popping.
Look at that thing. They don't even have the water on it yet, do they?
Yeah, they're doing it now.
Oh,
They had
okay.
the driveway blocked up in the front.
Oh, it's
Oh,
popping.
it's popping.
Is it gonna explode?
It might, but they...
And Fiona's not home.
Yeah, because they're spraying it. Look at that smoke pour out like that.
Oh my God.
Okay, I'm gonna mute you so you don't hear it.
Dang.
The first video I got, I was literally like screaming, get out of the way. Okay, don't shut the door.
Okay. Wow.
Oh, guys, be careful, man. Jeez.
He's like right on top of it. He's trying to cool
Yeah.
it. He's trying to cool the engine.
Let's just watch the show. I'm watching.
It's like they're just feeding the fire in the middle there.
Yeah, and if it's an oil fire, that's probably... It is an oil fire. Oh my gosh.
But look, like when they're fucking putting it
I
inside,
know.
it's like making the flames
It's
go
make it
more.
bigger.
Whenever there's a
Because it got to the oil tank. That's probably...
outside
I don't know.
or near this building.
Oh my gosh. Be careful, boys.
It's called overheat signature.
Yeah, someone pulled the fire line because there's no fire.
Focus camera. Wait, this is
It won't focus through there, honey. You have to...
It's focusing.
Okay.
How do you put on focus camera? No, it just focuses. I just no focus. Focus. Look, Jersey was going crazy.
Yeah, I know. He probably still is.
And the cat was just minding its own business.
Oh my gosh, look at it. It's not going out. It's getting worse.
Money down the
Doesn't
drain.
look like it's going out, guys.
No, like yeah, because the oil tank probably got it. It's exploding like, oh my
Oh,
gosh.
there's an ambulance.
Well,
Or is that another fire truck?
it's 2 fire trucks, honey. Oh, that one there.
That's a fire truck.
Yeah, they're gonna need more than
Yeah.
one hose. They better figure something out.
Oh, they're pulling it out right now.
Yeah,
Second hose, guy.
Whoa!
yeah.
Look.
2 alarm plays right now.
Oh my god. See how crazy that is? I know, just another day at 500.
Yeah.
I never saw that.
Coming from
in
the
real life.
11-year-old.
I only saw that in the game.
Oh, I think they have it. Oh no, they don't have it. Almost, almost.
My homie in the
Okay. Oh no.
Exactly. I guess they set the
Oh,
fire.
yeah, I got it. I think they got it out. No.
Is there someone in it?
No,
No.
honey, it was a parked car. Nobody got hurt. Nobody was in it. The first
Oh, it's
responders
still
got here
going.
just in
They
time.
would be melting right now. No, their bones would be melting.
Yo, like the top of the car was melting.
Dang, 2 police trucks.
Oh, they got it out. She out.
Ooh, my toes are frozen.
Yeah, she's out. Thank you, first responders.
I called Kobe right after I phoned you.
Yeah.
And he's all I hear is him say fire.